With Bert Van Holf, and this guy has just told us an extraordinary story about Microsoft and their channel partners. And in fact, we're standing here in the RealComm IBcon vendor area with the Microsoft logo up top, but a multitude of partners. Tell us about what's going on.
Yeah, we made some very exciting announcements yesterday on some new capabilities we're lighting up as part of our Azure IoT story. As we work with partners across multiple industries, we really latched on to buildings being ripe for additional assist. How do we get to the next level of smart? We're bringing in these new spatial intelligence capabilities that are benefiting already a wide variety of partners that we are showcasing at the booth. This is in limited preview right now, and we have a blog post that we posted with a lot of detail on it, so I definitely encourage people to go check that out.
Bert, I've been very impressed because these are big, important partners. Absolutely. Collaborating with a big partner, and this is you're going to have great outcomes, great impacts. It's going to change the way people are doing business.
Yeah, no, and we're very excited about the breadth.
Yeah.
We have 6 different countries represented as headquarters for some of these companies. And you get everything from a construction company to people in the furniture space to a global system integrator to a player like Honeywell in the building control space, and on and on. So
yeah, very impressive, very impressive. So let's go ahead and let's take a tour of the Microsoft Azure partners.
Thank you.
All right. And we are on our Windows tour. This is another great application on the Windows Azure. I'm with Trevor Detters from Steelcase. Did I say that right?
Dieters from Steelcase. Sorry. That's close.
Okay. That's good. Well, Trevor, tell us what you do, and then tell us about Steelcase, and then last would be tell us about your Microsoft application.
Okay. I'm in product development, marketing at Steelcase, and we've developed a space measurement solution on top of Microsoft Azure, and it's all about helping our customers understand how often their rooms are being used, how often their desks are being used versus sitting empty. We found that about half of real estate sits empty. So helping our customers understand that, make changes, make improvements, and make their workplace work harder for them is really what Steelcase is about.
Well, cool. I mean, and just tell our community how Steelcase is quite large. Tell us about Steelcase itself.
Historically, we're a 100-year-old company. We are the largest office furniture manufacturer in the world, but we now are doing smart buildings. And so really putting in a system of sensors built on top of Microsoft's platform so that our customers can really understand and improve their spaces based off of real data and evidence.
Hey, Trevor, so let's take a deeper dive in. What is Microsoft providing to you?
So what Microsoft provides us is a scalable platform that's secure, and really best in class. And we're selling to Fortune 1000, Fortune 500 customers, and Microsoft's the best partner from an IoT standpoint for us to work with in the world.
That's good stuff. So how do people get a hold of you?
You can find us at steelcase.com. You can also talk to Microsoft. And we would love to, we have dealers across the country and across the world, and we can help you measure your spaces.
Well, thank you very much. I'm with Greg Bernhardt, Solution Advisor with Honeywell. This is an exciting story again with Microsoft and the Azure application. Tell us about what you're doing here and what's going on with Microsoft.
Thanks, Ken. Really appreciate it. We've been working with Microsoft for several years now, and one of the things that we're really trying to highlight here at RealComm is the work that we're doing to move from the back of the house to the front of the house. So we're building occupant-focused applications on top of their Azure platform. So what we're doing is we're enabling our occupants with wayfinding, with access control, with comfort. So we're integrating these back-end systems with the occupant experience.
Awesome. Well, what I found really interesting was that Honeywell is a powerhouse, and everyone knows Honeywell in various ways. Honeywell is a part of one of their components in everybody's house and building, even if they don't know it. But this is a little bit different. You've taken a different approach. You're collaborating with one of the top technology providers in the world. So tell us a little bit about that experience.
Well, it's really it's been a very fruitful collaboration in that we've been working with them for several years now, and we've taken actually several different products very quickly from concept to actually delivering to our customers. And it's allowed us to, in addition to that, be very agile in making changes to those products quickly to address a better understanding of customer needs.
Well, it sounds like because you're delivering value in a very quick way. In the age of disruption and technology, it's great to see that you collaborate and get it done. So tell me, what's a typical application that you could talk about?
Well, so we talked a little bit about vector. Another one is outcome-based service. So outcome-based service really takes advantage of the information in the building system so that behind-the-scenes view that most of our occupants don't see. So we take that information and securely, using Microsoft technologies, we securely take that data out of the buildings and we take them to the cloud, and then we take advantage of the Azure platform services such as analytics, web services, etc., to create a solution that identifies either performance issues or anomalies within the building. And then we're able to take that information, push it to the service providers, whether that's an in-house team or whether that's our own service team, to actually close the loop, to correct the issues, to improve the building performance before, in many cases, the occupants even know there's an issue.
That's good stuff. So if we have an interested party out there and they want to get into this Honeywell Microsoft application, how do they get a hold of you and get started?
HoneywellBuildingSolutions.com or Honeywell.com. We'll take you to the Honeywell Building Solutions website, and we can get you in touch with one of our local representatives from there, because we have representatives all around the world.
I'm sure you do. I know that for a fact because we're one of them in Pittsburgh. Very, very good. Thank you. On the Microsoft tour, I'm with Hari Natarajan from L&T Technologies. I'll tell you what, it's got some really good stuff to tell us. Hari, tell us why are you here?
Well, L&T Technology Services is a part of the $18 billion L&T group, which operates worldwide. L&T Technology Services is one of the biggest players in the digital industrial and manufacturing spaces. As part of that, we do a lot of things in the smart cities, campuses, and building space. And we are here today to talk about how our smart building solutions integrates extremely well between the Azure cloud as well as with Dynamics 365 field services, and essentially makes actionable outcomes possible in the facilities management space to drive ROI, productivity, and real-time optimization of services.
Well, it's extraordinary, and I can see by the technology this is really something that's going to be successful. What makes your product different than, say, some of the others out there?
Absolutely. So for a variety of reasons over the last 80 years, L&T as a group has been very involved in designing a lot of the components that go into facilities today, whether that's HVAC systems or chillers or what have you. And so we're in a great position to understand what happens to the equipment that is inside the building, inside the city, inside the campus. And so for us to be able to say what data can be surfaced from all those equipment and to be able to make sense of it and to make it actionable for people coming out there in terms of facility managers and all of them, I think there's a great upside for that. So for us, we want to be able to tell our story about how the facility management space is not just about automation, it's about making automation work for you in real time. And that's the outcome we're here for today.
Super. Well, tell us just a real overview of the architecture, how you get this basically deployed.
For sure, yeah. So our solution, which is it's called IBEMS, which is Integrated Building Experience Management Solution, is now available worldwide. But the solution is today designed and delivered on the Microsoft Azure cloud. We take advantage of the Azure IoT Hub, which is the IoT hub that processes all the data coming in. So you can grab a sensor. The sensor sends the data to a gateway. The gateway sends the data to the Azure IoT Hub, and the IoT Hub essentially sends that to our cloud application, and that application essentially processes everything that you need to know and triggers the work orders that need to go down to the Dynamics ecosystem. So from an architectural perspective, we are delivering our solution on the Azure cloud. And the Azure cloud comes with very rich capabilities that all facility managers can benefit from today.
Well, it's very awesome and very impressive. Hari, how does the community get a hold of you?
lnttechnologyservices.com is the easiest way to get a hold of us. We're also available as a partner on the Microsoft IoT blog as of today. So please go to visit the Microsoft IoT blogs and look up Bert Van Hulst's blog, and you'll find us right there.
Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harry.
Appreciate it, Ken.